All right, so in this video, I'm going to show you how you and your users can select their own languages. So you can assign languages to your users and how they can choose their own. All right, so if you want to assign a language to a user, you're going to navigate to Contacts. You're going to click into the contact whose language you would like to change, and you can select which language they can view the website in. So if Afrikaans is chosen as their base language, then that is where you can change it. You would then go ahead and save those changes. But if they wish to change their own language, you can come here to view your website. And well, they would view the website. I'm just going to enable preview mode. And I'm going to come here to my account and to my profile. And from here, as a user, I would be able to select which of the available languages I want to interact with the business in. I would also have the option to click over here on the right-hand side of my website and select which language I would like to view the website in. So that is how you can set languages for your users and how your users can select the languages for themselves. They will also be asked when signing up which language is their preferred language. So now you know everything you need to know about setting up a multilingual business in the system.